Dear man, from the dawn of your existence, I have been fighting against your very innocence. And the fact that you keep falling is no coincidence, because I have assigned demons to carefully study each and every one of you. And I thank you for in each generation you generate so much hope for me to expand my company. And so now, I know how your weakness is, and my strength is made perfect in your weaknesses now. See, I listen to your heart with rapt attention, so I know the kind of lady to bring your way to sway you from your divine mission, and the perfect guy to whistle you out of your heavenly Father's mansion and be no more under his divine protection. See, my demons will rip your heart into pieces. Now, before I go any further, I would like to introduce myself. I am Last, and I fool all your fleshly desires, propelling you to drive at a top speed in life and come crashing in slowly into your life. I am the short-term feeling you confuse with the long-term feeling. With me, you will think you are on top of the world, but later realize that you are falling from a ceiling. I make my home in your hearts and go sightseeing with your eyes, taking pictures of different kinds of ladies of different shapes and sizes, and then at night I insert them into your memories, causing you to swim and get wet in your dreams. I blindfold you and take you up the mountain to reach your apex orgasm, and later you realize the last person you had sex with last night was yourself. How disgusting. I sit on your heart and swing up and down. I toss you like a coin up and down, and when you get tired of searching, he gently and humbly like a sheep comes and offers a helping hand, but a wolf in disguise is who he is. He devours you to the core and runs off into the woods after he has paid your bed price. Am I not a mastermind? But wait, another is competing with me for you, trying to put me out of business, nullifying every pain and hurt I have caused, and even stop my students from taking my course. It is love that has come to save you from the guy who came knocking at your door, making promises that he will never leave you and also give you his all. And it is love that has paid your rent on this earth. To live in peace and harmony, two things I detest the most. You have no idea. You have no idea, but it is love that was reaching out to you. You don't know how much he adores and treasures you, to give up his life on the cross just for you. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, to shine his light and counter my actions and leave me disgracefully crippled. Now I am left crawling in the mud, and my sky is now the soles of your feet. I have been defeated by love. I am no more.